Another beautiful day on the farm. These mangoes look perfect. Hey! What are you doing up there? You know, you could have just asked for one instead of sneaking around.
Here, take a fresh one. But tomorrow, you come back and help me harvest.
Look at that! We've got the best spot in the whole market! You're a natural at this, kid! Same time tomorrow? You're early. I like that. Ready to get to work? Look for the golden blush and feel for a slight softness. Never pull too hard. We're making great time. At this rate, we'll be the first ones at the market. We need these to shine like gold. Let's show them what real quality looks like.
Come one, come all. The sweetest, sun-ripened mangoes in the valley.
That's your share. You earned every bit of it today. See you at dawn, partner. We've got a whole new grove to pick tomorrow. Well now, someone is certainly eager to get started today. I cleaned the baskets and sharpened the pruning shears, boss. Wow.
I have never seen them that big before.
Don't worry, I've got ya. Just keep your focus up there. You're a hard worker, kid. This farm hasn't been this clean in years. It's our new brand, the Monkey Partners Mangoes. Look at all the lights! This is gonna be our biggest night yet! Behold, the finest fruit in the valley, grown by the best team around. We did it! Every single one is gone! You're not just a helper anymore. You're a part of this farm now. Well, partner, looks like we're headed home.
Thanks again, Sheriff. Goodbye, everyone.
Home sweet home. It looks even better by moonlight, doesn't it? Best harvest ever. And it is only the beginning. Sleep well, partner. Big things ahead.